Hey, welcome to another episode of What Are We Doing at Minnesota Implement. This is one of our Dingo tree and post pullers. These are usually built for little walk-behind machines, Dingo and Ditch Witch and such. They also work nice on the little compact skid steers. This one is built for a 1980s New Holland 225, a little 20 or 25 horse machine. Which only has like a 600 or 700 pound lift to it. Hence, the small unit that's for a Dingo will work real well on his machine. And we built this custom faceplate for his because it uses a slightly different faceplate than anybody else's machine. But also, the other thing we have going on this one isn't just the custom faceplate, it's also these grabber teeth on the bottom of here. So what this particular client is doing is taking out privacy fences and wood fences where they've got a 4x4 wood post set in concrete. And often when they're removing the fence, those posts will just break off right at ground height. And a lot of times those posts are set in a 6-inch or 8-inch chunk of concrete that's 24 inches deep. So we made these grabber teeth so that when the post breaks off, he can put these teeth on here and pull that footing or the remainder of the post out of the ground by shoving these spikes into the ground. And so they're just a inch thick, tapered and sharpened with the little cleats in there, but they're pinned in place so they can be removed. And also the one that rides on the carriage here has 2 sets of holes. So when it's in its default here, that's a 9-inch gap, and it'll close down to just under 1 inch wide. And you can move it back for if you've got a 10-inch or so footing, you could still use this by moving it back to the other set of holes. So it gives you a couple of options for what you're doing with it, allowing you to grab stuff. But as I've said in all of my other videos, we are Minnesota Implement and we love custom equipment. Half of what we build is custom or modified versions of our own product line. Because we're a smaller shop, we can build to your needs rather than just having a static piece of equipment that you have to adapt to. We like to build for what the client needs. We're Minnesota Implement. I've got about 130 different videos online, and we've got our website, minnesotaimplement.com. Please feel free to check us out online. If you do want to communicate with us, I don't live on the internet. I live in the shop welding product. So if you want to get a hold of me in a timely manner, please feel free to give our phone call or our phone number a call here. But otherwise, we definitely appreciate any input online or in person. Thank you for watching.